Here's a quick and easy guide on installing a Thumbturn Euro Cylinder in just 5 steps. If you've got 10 minutes, a screwdriver and a ruler, you're good to go. Let's get started. First up, find the fixing screw on the edge of your door, right by the cylinder. Use a screwdriver to unscrew it all the way. From the internal side of the door, twist the Thumbturn slightly until you feel the cab line. Apply pressure to the opposite side of the cylinder, and there you go. The old cylinder should slide right out. Nice and easy. Next, let's make sure your new cylinder is the perfect fit. Measure the center of the fixing screw hole to each end of the cylinder. Got it? Great. Make sure the measurements match before moving on. And remember, the Thumbturn is on the inside of your door. That way, no one can unlock it from the outside. Now, take your new cylinder and align it in the slot in your door. Insert it gently while turning the Thumbturn just a little to align the cam, and your Thumbturn Euro Cylinder should slide smoothly. The cylinder should sit flush on the surface of the door, nice and snug. Time to lock it in, using your fixing screws to secure the cylinder. Make sure it's tight enough to hold the cylinder securely, but don't overdo it. And now for the final test. Insert your keys and turn it both ways. Check that it locks and unlocks smoothly. Pro tip, if the key feels stiff, don't force it. And there you have it, a brand new Thumbturn cylinder lock installed in just a few simple steps. Want more handy installation tips and home improvement tricks? Subscribe to XFORT channel so you never miss a thing. Oh, and here's a little bonus. Head to xfort.co.uk and grab 10% off your first order whilst you're there.